Welcome back to my channel Yantra Rakshana. In this video, I will explain the UP300 bar 39 centrifugal pump rotating assembly step by step. First, check whether the pump rotation is clockwise or anti-clockwise. This pump rotates in the anti-clockwise direction. Lock the non-drive end side sleeve first. Insert the non-drive end side sleeve by rotating the sleeve clockwise direction. Tight the sleeve properly. Now insert the impeller key and lock the non-drive sleeve properly. The key step is come through the non-drive end side sleeve groove inside. Insert the drive side shaft inside the impeller. Keep the impeller vanes upward in the anti-clockwise direction. Then insert the drive end side sleeve and tight it properly by rotating the sleeve clockwise direction to tight the sleeve. Then insert the drive end side sleeve and tighten that properly. Check the gap between the sleeve end and bearing end point on the drive side. The gap should be 6.4 mm. Similarly, check the non-drive side gap. The gap should also be 6.4 mm. Make sure the impeller is placed at the center position. Next, insert the collar rings on both the drive and non-drive sides. The flat face of the collar ring should face the impeller side and the taper face should be opposite. Both the collar ring locking pin hole nearer to the impeller. Next, prepare the stuffing box by use a graphite gland rope 12 mm. Insert the gland inside the stuffing box. Now insert the bearing seal. The bearing seal size is inner diameter is 80 mm, outer diameter is 100 mm, thickness is 10 mm. After that, insert the O-ring. The O-ring size is 5 mm. Install the stuffing box on the non-drive end side. After inserting the stuffing box non-drive side, prepare the drive end side stuffing box. Insert the graphite type gland rope 12 mm size inside the stuffing box. After inserting the gland rope, insert the bearing seal. The bearing seal size is 80 into 100 into 10 mm. Insert the stuffing box O-ring. The O-ring size is 5 mm dia. Install the stuffing box on the drive end side. After inserting the drive end side stuffing box, insert the seal ring on the drive end side. After insert the seal ring non-drive end side. Both the drive and non-drive side seal ring inserted. Before installing the bearing, heat them in solvent oil above the 100 degrees centigrade. After heating, install the bearing properly both the drive and non-drive side by using a bearing number is 6312. After inserting the drive and non-drive side bearing by applying a small amount of grease. Now insert the bearing cover drive end side. Insert the bearing cover bolts. Tight the bearing cover bolts properly. After inserting the drive end side bearing cover, next install the non-drive side star washer and lock nut. Tight the lock nut properly. Bearing apply the small amount of grease. After insert the non-drive inside bearing cover. By inserting the bearing cover bolts, tight the bearing cover bolts. By rotating assembly completed. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.